So I want to start this video off by asking a very important question, and that's, what would more traffic and sales mean to you? Everyone always says that they want more traffic to their site, that they want more sales. And it seems like no matter what level of business that you're at, you're going to want those things. You'll want to keep growing your business. However, I really want you to think about how more traffic and sales would actually impact your business. What would it let you do? Hi, I'm Elle McCann, owner of Curious Themes Web Development Studio in Nashville, Tennessee, and I have been a Shopify expert for over 6 years now. Again, I see so many people say that they want more traffic and sales, but I don't hear why they want it. Of course, we're all wanting to increase our money. However, what does that actually mean for your business and for your life? So by getting more traffic and sales to your site, would that mean that you'd be able to quit that job that you don't like and be able to focus full time on this business? Or would you be able to finally take your family on a vacation that you've been really wanting to go? Or would it mean that you could be actually debt free this year? And how would that make a huge impact on your life? While having just the goal of more traffic and sales is great, I really want you to visualize what that would mean for your business and your life. And that's going to be your why. Once you have that why, you can then really kind of put your focus into that and create a strategy behind it. Once you have that why, anytime that it's a hard time or you get frustrated, you're always going to come back to that why and know why exactly that you're doing what you're doing and why you've started this business to get to that end result. I see so many people who start an online store and they don't really have a clear strategy of how they're going to get it out there. They build it thinking that people just instantly find it and they'll just start instantly making sales. And that's not really the case. Also, I see so many times of people going into this constant learning mode where they're taking all of these courses online or they're watching hours and hours of YouTube videos to try and figure out what they need to be doing, but they don't actually take any action and put a strategy in place to get them towards that end goal of more traffic and sales to their online store. For this reason, I decided to create a new guide called the Traffic Blueprint Guide. And this is a really in-depth guide that goes through exactly how you can drive more traffic and sales to your online store. We also kind of have it as an overall marketing strategy. So it's set up in order of importance. We go through first how to optimize your site to make sure that any traffic that you send to your site in the first place is going to get a really nice conversion rate and actually convert into paying customers. We then go into understanding your current site traffic, as well as then ways to market your site, like email marketing, search engine optimization, as well as influencer marketing and paid advertising. So all of these things together create a complete marketing strategy that you can then take and implement in your business. We've got all of the learning that you need in this guide, and we've got the strategy behind it. So you don't have to keep piecemealing different bits of information. You can have this complete guide and take it and be your marketing strategy for 2019 and beyond. So I would love for you to check this out. So we have it right now for a limited time of $37 because I really want you to implement this in your business and make a huge change in your business and life. So you can click the link in the description below, or I will also add it in an info card somewhere on this video, but I really want you to check that out and see exactly the strategy that could take your business to the next level by sending that traffic and sales to your online store. So make sure to check that out today before the price increases, and I would love to know what you think. Also, comment below if you have any questions, and I would love to hear from you. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and be the first to be notified when we put out new videos Monday, Wednesday, and Friday all about Shopify and how to grow your online store.